Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registrations in Hong Kong. What is company registration in Hong Kong? To register a company in Hong Kong is a very quick and simple process. Decide a name for your company and then file an application in a prescribed form to the Hong Kong Company Registry. Application for registration of business is also filed simultaneously, thus simplifying the process of starting the business and company incorporation in Hong Kong. Advantages of incorporation in Hong Kong. These are the advantages of incorporation in Hong Kong. First, liberal economy. Second, simple, fast and cheap opening. Third, simple and favorable taxation system. 4. Through a provenance of China but laws different. 5. It has CEPA with China. 6. Bank account also outside Hong Kong. 7. A multi-currency business bank account. 8. Low minimum registered capital requirements. So, if you want to go deep the points, you can hit the pause button and read the slides. Let's move to the next slide. Disadvantages of company registration in Hong Kong. So, the disadvantages of company registration in Hong Kong are lot of paperwork and no Chinese visa on incorporation in Hong Kong. There are two main disadvantages of registering a company in Hong Kong as listed in the chart given above and as explained in the next slide. I am skipping this slide. I hope you understand the points. Registration of company. Earlier, foreigners were allowed to open a sole trader company in Hong Kong without having a Hong Kong resident permit. But now, this facility has been discontinued. You cannot open any company other than a limited company in Hong Kong unless you are planning to stay in Hong Kong. As per the norms of the China government, you are required to have an office and a secretary for your company in Hong Kong. Requirements for registration of company. A director, a shareholder, a company secretary, no capital investment, minimum 1 share to be issued, taxes levied only on profits arising in Hong Kong. Checklists for company registration in Hong Kong. 3 proposed company names, the address proof of at least 1 director and 1 shareholder, a scanned color copy of your passport and of all directors and shareholders, residency proof of all the members and directors, a brief description of the business scope of the company. Procedure for registration application. Firstly check the availability of name. Second, file the application for the incorporation of the company. Third, incorporation procedure for a company in Hong Kong is really fast and can normally be processed within 1 hour for online application and within 4 days for registration in hard copy format if the documents are complete and as per requirements. So, conclusion. Therefore, it can be comfortably concluded that having a business and opening a company in Hong Kong is an easy and beneficial process for anybody who is willing to expand his business. It is one of those countries that has the most accommodative laws and regulations for the company and corporate sector. Therefore, a person who works with all will and hard work cannot be stopped from achieving heights that he has never seen before.